So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the AirPods Pro and why are they the best AirPods, wireless AirPods currently in the segment of the AirPods in the market now. So first of all, you've got this wonderful actual, let's say, I wouldn't say mufflers. They are just like some silicone, let's say, AirPods, which you can just change them as you see fit, these ear tips, and they are pretty much amazing. You've got different sizes, so you can have, let's say, an M here and an XL here. You've got different sizes of your ears because they are not symmetrical, as you know. You've also got the cancellation noise system. You just press them and you've got the cancellation noise system. You've also got the movement of your actual ear. If you move your head, also the music also moves. That's pretty much amazing. The wireless charging, USB-C, the case if you want to find your actual AirPods, and in general it's just wonders. Now remember, you've got 6 hours non-stop of music. You've got the actual AirPods, which are currently one of the best in the segment market. And why I say this, because I think they work pretty well. They are very, very intuitive. You've got many controls here on the side. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but you've got here different controls on the right and left hand side. And in general, they just work pretty much amazing in that you've got it connected to the Mac, to your iPhone, to your Apple TV or your TV, and you're switching between devices, it will automatically connect to the one you're using. It's really intelligent. I mean, if you would see this actual AirPod without the actual case, it's just a series of electronic devices. It's just an engineer proof that you can do really good stuff in this size. Let me know in the comments what you think about the AirPods.